Hi guys, this video I show you how to install theme and plugins. So open your WordPress dashboard, WordPress vision and slash wp-admin. Add your link and just text wp-admin to your dashboard. Click on appearance and delete these basic themes and click on add new. So we install Ocean WP theme. This is how it is. This is Ocean WP install. This is a very good theme, Ocean WP for blog and affiliate websites. Here it is the WordPress theme that give you more. This is a free theme and pro is well available. You need a pro. Free pick and provide for icons. Unique experience. Install a full WordPress website in just 10 minutes. This article will show you how to install full website in just 10 minutes. So our theme now installed. Now click in activate. This is a theme now is installed. We need to install some plugin for Ocean WP. Please search plugin section in Ocean WP. Ocean Astro install. Ocean social sharing. Custom sidebar. Product sharing. Stick anything. This and Ocean port sidebar slider. Sorry. So this plugin and definitely work. Ocean Extra provides some extra features. Ocean Social Sharing provides some Facebook sharing buttons, etc. Custom sidebar, some sidebar in shop page areas. Stick anything like menu stick, post slider, post calendar is comment slider add before after like this, and search again for Elementor. Elementor, just click install now. Essential Elementor add-ons, premium add-ons, this to install, and then starter template. You want to install some template, you will install. I will create a scratch website, like I create a blog website in these videos. Elementor is a page builder, drag and drop page builder. WordPress builder plus built-in hosting, $99 per year, but free version is available. You can use free. Google Cloud Platform, many CDN Cloudflare free SSL certificate. This is hosting feature. We can click on buy now for some feature modes. Essential plugin is or Elementor. This plugin is provides some more features, element features like videos, links, etc. This is a work with Elementor, and this whole so all plugin now is installed. We can now activate plugin. Click on install plugins. Click all plugins now. Plugin sections, bulk action. Now click activate and then apply. So all plugin now is activated in just few seconds, not one by one. So here it is. All plugin now installed. Go to dashboard. Dismiss all things. Oh thanks. Now we do some settings. Go to setting sections. Click on membership. Anyone can register. Anyone can create our account and do some post. WordPress with then you can choose your title, freelancer, and there's something wrong, and influencer, some spelling mistakes, sorry. So now just click and save changes. So setting all save. Now click on rating. You can choose page. I don't create post page here, but I can't create now. So this why I can choose. Now you need to click permalinks and click post name. This is a permalink is post name, website link, and sample post. Anyone like shop page intro in internet, the your website link and shop. This is why permalink is very important. SEO permalink is very important for websites. So create some pages now, add pages and add new. So we can create page. First we create home page. You can choose something breadcrumb disable, title disable, and padding disable. These three things you can disable in this area ocean WP settings. And now click on publish. So page is now is published. We can view this, create a new page, add new, like we create YouTube page, YouTube videos added, some again setting disable, breadcrumb disable, title disable, publish again, create add new, like create some more page about us, all then setting again, publish, just same. We can create more two more pages, like again is contact us, padding disable, breadcrumb disable, title disable, publish, very simple. Click on add new again, add blog page. This time I don't remove this thing, padding, breadcrumb, etc. I show you later. Some one more page like services disable padding, Title disable, breadcrumb disable, publish. So go to now WordPress, go to again setting, reading. Now you need click your home page. Static page is home page. This is our home page. Post page. This is our blog. This is now post page. So anyone can be our website wordpress.zen.ml. So he show my home page. We can edit home page with Elementor next videos and create a beautiful design. I mean, delete this theme. Go to post. Delete this. Hello world post. Now we install some SEO plugin now. Go to plugin section, add new. You need to install the rank math plugin. Just search rank math. This is a SEO plugin. Click on install. Go to website and I show you WordPress SEO made easy. Rank math is most powerful web-based WordPress SEO tools. Download free. Try demo here. Recommended by these big companies. This is the demo videos. Rank my integrate with favorite flat platform Bing, Facebook, Google, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Tutor, Google Search Console. This is a big company. He suggests you can use Rank Math. 1.5 million happy users. Features is a pro version available also, but I can't use pro. So here it is. Our this plugin installed. I'm now install some W3 total catchy plugin. Install now. This plugin is provide some fast features like SEO no, like optimization, fast websites, GT matrix, increase your website loading time 0.7 second like this. So we can use this plugin for increase your website speed. Go to GT matrix and check our speed now. Copy this URL now and then paste it here. Get URL, test your site, adding job to queue. So here it is. Our website is now showing result, generating report now. This is not a good performance. C 73 performance structure 83. I can't edit content this way. Speed is very slow, so we can use this plugin for speed. So this plugin now need to activate. Just click this to bulk action, activate and then apply. So here it is. We can set up rank math plugin in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Subscribe our channel for interesting video. Bye for now. Thanks.